Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our unit number 9. Exercise of unit number 9, all is not lost. Comprehension questions, I'll give you notes of these questions. There are 5 comprehension questions. After that, part B. Part B is rearrange these sentences in correct sequence. Now there are 8 sentences are given. Basically these are 7 sentences. One sentence has repetition, that is number 1 and number 7. Fine. So number 1 will be number 3, number 2 will be number 1, number 3 will be number 5, number 4 will be number 7, number 5 will be number 6, number 6 will be number 4, and number 8 will be number 2. I have given you the sequence. You can arrange it after reading twice this unit. Fine. It's your duty, so you have to read this unit at least 2 times. I have given you a sequence. You can arrange the sequence according to that and you can check that. Okay, next come towards the vocabulary. Match column A with column B. Beside, at the side of. Ironic means conveying opposite sense. Made up, decided. Justify my stance, prove myself right. ठीक है, prove myself right. Now next part B, vocabulary का part B. Identify the phrases and idioms in the lesson and the use in the sentences. First of all, we should know what is a phrase. Phrase is a group of words that work together to make meaning, but it is not a complete sense. So phrase is a group of words that does not give you a complete sense, although work together to make a meaning. So subject, it does not have both a subject and verb. So in phrase there is no subject and no verb. For example, I have given you few examples. The brown hat blowing away in the wind. Now let's come towards the example of definition of idiom. Idiom is a group of words established by usage as having expression meaning not deducible form those of the individual words. For example, over the moon see the light. So basically idiom क्या है? Expression है. Expression that is used in the way of words in a language. ठीक है, it's a expression. So now I am going to give you a list of some idioms. As a young professional, with utter surprise, a big smile, fight a lost battle, or you can say win a lost battle, a hopeless case. I have chosen the 5 idioms for you from the lesson, and you are supposed to use them in your sentences. So this is your written work on your copy. You have to do on your neat copies. Now let's towards the grammar portion. Rewrite the following paragraph. Put in article a and the to replace where necessary. So what you have to put over here, you have to put an article. Where there is a will, there is a way is a famous proverb. Many wise men, many के बाद जो space है, no article will come over here. Many wise men has approved it. It is an altogether wrong notion to ignore it. The people who adopt this fine principle. So after fine there will be no article. Find an ultimate victory. The man who does not act upon this rule, the man who does not act upon this rule cannot succeed in the life. What a lesson it has. What a lesson it has. No article will come. What a lesson it has for all of us. ठीक है, जहाँ जहाँ आर्टिकल नहीं आ रहा, I have told you, you can read it by yourself as well. If you find if there is something is missing, you can add that. Now come towards the direct and indirect narration. Direct speech means the exact words that someone says. ठीक है, those are enclosed a quotation mark which are called inverted commas. For example, I replied, I'm trying to make her brain process her sister's voice. Are you looking for your patient? She said. The doctor said, please go and see the patient. जो डॉक्टर के जो you can say subject के जो in fact words होते हैं वो inverted commas के अंदर लिखना, that is called a direct speech. Now what you have to do, we have to do exercise of direct and indirect. I am reading direct and then indirect narration, and you please note it down. You have to do this part C on your part C and D. Part C, rewrite paragraph 3 of lesson into the indirect speech. First you have to do this paragraph on your rough copies, then on neat copies. And D, change the narration of the following sentences. This exercise I'm going to do with you. He said to him, what are you doing? What are you reading? He said to him, what are you reading? He asked him what he was reading. What he was reading. He asked him what he was reading. Okay. He said, you have made a mistake. He told me that I had made a mistake. He told me that I had made a mistake. She said, do not waste your time. She said, do not waste your time. So do not waste your time is she's stopping someone. She forbade, मना करना, ठीक है. Forbade to not to waste time. She forbade us. She forbade us to waste time. उसने हमें टाइम वेस्ट करने से मना किया. He said to me, will you watch drama tonight? He asked me that whether I would watch the drama that night. Tonight will change into that night. Tonight will change into that night. He asked me that whether I would watch the drama that night. Number 5. She said to her sister, please listen to me. She said to her sister, please listen to me. She requested her sister to listen to him. Her. She requested her sister to listen to her. Now let's come towards the next exercise, compound composition. Compound composition are two or more words working together as one word are functioning as a preposition. So when two prepositions are working together, that are called compound preposition. Number 1, according to my teacher, it is a great book. According to my teacher, it is a great book. He had to retire because of ill health. He had to retire because of ill health. I am standing in front of the school building. He is coming along with his friends. Number 5, I am away from my home right now. He left for Sialkot instead of Lahore. He left for Sialkot instead of Lahore. He could not attend the seminar because of his brother's marriage. Okay, let's come towards the past perfect continuous tense. The structure of the past perfect continuous tense is subject, then auxiliary verb and then main verb. In that had, we use had in the past perfect tense, been का use होगा and with base form ing. ठीक है. Now let's start the exercise. Salim was sitting on the chair but out of breath. He had been running. We had been walking along the road for 20 minutes when a car stopped and offered us a lift. Number 3, I will do my homework for 2 hours when my friend came. I will be doing my homework. Okay, number 4, they had been taking exercise since morning. The patient with pain had been crying with pain for 2 hours when the doctor arrived. So this exercise is done. And what you have to do, make 5 sentences using past perfect continuous tense and convert these sentences into negative and interrogative. So simply you have to write 5 sentences of past perfect continuous, जैसे ये 5 हैं, any other 5, and convert them into negative and then interrogative. That's all. Your exercise is done. So what you have to do, you have to make the sentences of the idioms which I have told you on your neat copy. Comprehension questions, then idiom question, and after that what you have to write down Okay, one question that I have missed. Now you do this one. Use the following words in sentences, first as verb and then as noun. So there are some words are written: care, walk, surprise, request, need, state. केयर एज अ वर्ब क्या है, एक्शन हो जाता है, ठीक है. एंड नाउन में एज अ नाउन क्या है, सब्जेक्ट में आ जाता है. आई केयर माई पेशेंट, केयर माई पेशेंट नीड्स केयर. वॉक, आई वॉक अंडर द ब्रिज. वॉक, वॉक इज़ गुड फॉर हेल्थ. अच्छा, एज अ नाउन था ये, ठीक है. सरप्राइज, नेक्स्ट वन इज सरप्राइज. आई वॉज सरप्राइज टू सी my friend. I was surprised to see my friend. Surprise as a noun. I gave my friend a surprise. Request as a verb. I request you to go to Lahore. I request you to go to Lahore. Request as a noun. Your request was accepted. Your request was accepted. So this is also this question also. So you have to write down idiom and phrases part B. Then part D, verb as a verb and noun. Use these words, and after that change the narration of the followings you will do on your neat copy. And the last one is make 5 sentences using past perfect continuous tense and convert these sentences to negative and interrogative. This is your homework. I'll give you comprehension notes. Okay, thank you so much.